one of those blends where you take a breath and your whole body relaxes. I started using this at the end of my day and it completely changed how my evenings feel. Hey, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. You know that feeling when you get home but your brain is still running at 100 miles per hour? I've been looking for a way to create a physical off switch to my day. I wanted a scent that signals to my body, work is done, it's time to rest. And that is exactly what this Evening Glow Blend does. For this, you can just add drops to your diffuser, but I'm going to show you how to make it a master blend. This way, you mix it once in a 5 ml bottle and it's ready to grab whenever you need a reset. So you'll need your Downtime blend, Geranium, and Juniper Berry. And if you're making the master blend, grab an empty 5 ml amber bottle too. Let's start with the right now method. If you just want to test this out tonight, add it directly to your diffuser. 5 drops Downtime blend for grounding. 3 drops Geranium for balance. And 2 drops Juniper Berry for that fresh finish. The Juniper Berry, the Geranium, and the Downtime all blend together so well to create this amazing scent. Let's see how it smells. The Downtime, the Geranium, and the Juniper Berry blend together so well. It's so relaxing and balancing, perfect for a relaxing evening at home. If you want to make the master blend so you don't have to do the math every night, grab that empty bottle. Start with 50 drops of Downtime Essential Oil Blend. This is your grounding base. It helps calm the mind and signals that it's time to slow down. Next, add 30 drops of Geranium. Geranium adds balance. It's soft, floral, and really comforting, especially after a long day. Finally, 20 drops of Juniper Berry. This brings in freshness and clarity. It helps keep the floral notes from feeling too heavy, so it's calming without being overwhelming. Cap it, give it a shake, and label it. Now, blending is an art. Balancing the Geranium and Juniper ratio can be an expensive thing to figure out on your own. That's why we did the hard work for you in this month's recipe box. You get the full-sized bottles of Downtime, Geranium, and Juniper Berry, plus the recipes, so you can skip to the relaxing part. To use it, just add 5 to 10 drops of your new diffuser blend to your diffuser. I love using this while I'm doing my evening bedtime routine, and it pairs perfectly with the cleansing balm we made in the last video. The woodsy scent mixed with the mist, it feels like a spa, and it's a signal to your brain that the day is done. No more emails, no more rushing, just you. If your evenings feel a little too busy or you have trouble switching modes, give this blend a try. And when you do, share it with #IMadeThis and tag @FromSimplyEarth. And you'll be entered to win a gift card to Simply Earth. Grab the box with the link in the description to get all these oils and more. Let me know in the comments, what's your switch off ritual? I'd love to hear it. I'll see you in the next DIY.